Here at the Mercedes stand at Brussels Motor Show 2026, and we are with the GLB all-electric 7-seater. Starting off the front, that illuminated grille, very similar to the GLC we already have up on the channel. We've got that 3-pointed daytime running light, and it is depending on the trim will dictate what this grille is actually looking like. It is a proper 7-seater. It is a smaller footprint, obviously, the GL side of things. We're all electric. We're no longer going to get the EQB. We are going to be getting just the GLB all electric. We do have a price starting around €65,000, which is roughly similar to what the GLB was actually looking like. Let's have a look and see what the boot is like with regards to the seats. Are up, very bluff rear end. We've got that 3-pointed element in there as well. High level brake lamp, wiper, and then press the 3-pointed stair, and you've got the seats already down. Now they're down because the seats are all the way up, but they can pull up once we have the seats out of it. Nice gloss black. Let's have a little look to see if we can put this seat forward.
Ja, ik moet de zetel nog een beetje naar voren.
You do you. He's going to try and move those seats forward. Let's see if we can do it from the other side. And so we can see what exactly now. This, if you remember correctly, I have the original EQB up in the channel. I tried to fit into the actual rear. All good. This one first. I'll teach you.
Thank you.
And we've got the Star Wars droids then going on, so you can see there not much footroom going on, but at least there is footroom there and a small bit of a footwell inside of it. Yeah, you know what I mean? If you're looking for 7 seats, that's what you're going to be up against there. And it has that big MBUX infotainment screen, big chunky doors, and you can see that the seats can slide forward or back. Now to get into the rear, it is up here, it slides forward, and you can see there's really little leg room there to get it. And then leg room, yeah, and then headroom, got that electromagnetic, so no problem there. It's just that rear is really for small kids, you know. We've got down here nice beautiful Mercedes-Benz Vento, 2 USB-Cs. It's the quality of the leather. If it's not leather, they've done a really good job on it.
Thinking of going electric or upgrading to the latest EV? The Nevo driving experience in partnership with Bank of Ireland is back to Cork by popular demand. This free event gives you the chance to test drive and compare electric vehicles from over 13 brands, including Tesla, BYD, Toyota, MG, Hyundai, Kia, and many more, all in one place. Speak directly with local dealers and EV experts and get practical advice on charging, range, costs, and everyday ownership. The Nevo driving experience takes place in the Marina Market, Cork on Sunday, March the 8th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m, and you can get your free tickets now on nevo.ie.
Pop-out flush door handles. This is what we have an issue with at the moment with regards to that large MBUX screen all the way across. And we've got the adjusters on the door for the seats, etc. That brown is gorgeous. And if I remember correctly, there is a frunk, or at least there should be, when we get in. You can see how crazy this is. Lunchtime on Saturday, folks, here at the Brussels Motor Show. We've got that gloss black with the indicator, 360 cameras, multiple different cameras inside of it. Sorry. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get in. It's such a busy car. But yeah, that is the Mercedes-Benz GLB electric. You can see these gorgeous dolphin whale tails like we had on the GLC, and we did have a first look at it as well. Put a glass black down in underneath there. Yeah. Popular. A lot of people interested in it. As you can see. Let's see if we can get a quick look at the steering wheel. He's too far forward there now for anything sensible or reasonable in the back of it. Let's see if I can zoom in. Large screen. As well. Yeah, tight. Well, it is a GLB though, in fairness to it. If you're looking for bigger, you go GLC. That is a very busy, very cramped first look at the all-electric GLB. Hopefully get a chance to drive it on the channel soon. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me and I'll review. Thank you very much for watching.